How to add link in TikTok bio. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add link in TikTok bio. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, TikTok now has renewed its rules, so you need to have at least 1,000 or 1K subscribers in order for you to have the link or website feature. So let's begin. First is make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open TikTok, go to Profile, and then go to the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you're here, click on Settings, and then go to Manage Account. So what we're going to do right here is to make sure first that our account is on Business Account. So go to Manage Account and click on Switch to Business Account. Wait for it to load, click on Next, choose the category that you want. So you may choose any, choose Education and Training, Electronics, Finance and Investing, and many more. So choose whichever you want, then click on Next and wait for it to load. So once you're here, click on Edit Profile if this pops up, or if it doesn't pop up, you may go to Edit Profile right here. So click on Edit Profile, and then you may be able to see the website option right here. However, for me, I don't have the 1,000 followers, then I cannot see that option right here. So if you have that one, make sure to click on it and then paste your link. However, if you are like me, which doesn't have any 1,000 followers, you may go to bio and paste your link right here. But do take note that this link is unclickable, unlike the website option. So that's it. That's how you can add link in TikTok bio.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.